let's make this quick. So we got the Burger Motorsports intakes. I have catless downpipes, and I have X-Force exhaust. That's as far as it goes for performance. No tune, no JB4, none of that. And then I have a bunch of carbon fiber. We got the grill, we got this, the lip, and then we got more. All right, come on, follow me. We got carbon right here. It's all about the details. Carbon on the mirror covers. The whole roof is carbon. We got carbon on the spoiler. Beautiful spoiler.
Yes.
It's a cool spoiler because it sits on this side of the trunk and then on the back side.
Yeah.
Of it. It like sits on both. And then we have the diffuser, all carbon. And yeah, so that's as far as it goes for exterior. But the magic happens on that side.
Yeah, this is nice.
There it is. The blue carbon bucket seats. Not the most comfortable seats. Okay, which is good for me because I can't gain any weight. If I gain weight, it means I can't fit in my own car. So that's my motivation, you know? And yeah, you can show them the front.
Man, this is nice. I like the floor mats too.
Yeah, it protects
Those
the
are
original
nice,
ones.
man.
And then you also got all the all the carbon in there.
Man, it's nice.
And then I can show you around. We got the steering wheel.
Yeah, we gotta look at the steering wheel.
Steering wheel is beautiful. So all carbon, everything. Then we got the leather, and then we got the M stitching with the M little stripe right there.
Man, that's nice.
And that's as far as it goes. And then I did my brakes a little lighter blue to kind of match with the like the lasers, the blue on the lasers.
Oh, that does look. Oh man, it is matching.
It's little details, and yeah, that's it.
It's
That's
super
my
nice.
ride.
It's super nice, man.
I don't have as bright of a color as you do. But one day I want to wrap it for sure.
What color do you think you want to go with?
It's hard to pick a color that's gonna go well with the blue interior, so I'm limited to like blue, and blue.
Yeah.
I can't think of a color that would go well with the interior. Maybe satin black, but then I think that will tone it down a little more. I'm usually used to like brighter color cars.
Yeah.
I've had a lot of green. I know you said you had a lot of green.
Green,
I've had,
yep.
I don't know, like 5 different green cars. But yeah, I don't know. I like it the way it is right now. We'll see. But let's show them yours.
And what color is yours? Skyscraper?
Skyscraper gray?
Gray? Okay.
Yeah. Yours is beautiful. It sits really nice like mine. And then I know a lot of you guys probably hate on this. I usually don't like shit like this. But this wing looks really good. So block everyone that hates on this. And I was saying, if this wing sat any higher, then it would look like a ZR1.
Yeah.
But it sits so low and sporty, and it just, I think it goes very well with the car. Beautiful car. You said it's rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive. Yep.
That's gonna be interesting because I'm all.
Yep.
Do you spin?
Yes. Really, really bad.
A lot. These cars, man, when I put it in rear-wheel drive mode, it spins so much. I'm like,
oh yeah.
No way, this car only has like 479 torque.
Yep.
It just spins so much. But yeah.
And what? So you're on a 285 or 295 tire? Are you still on stock tires?
No, these are Michelin. They came with what's the Pirelli?
Oh, okay.
These are the Pilot 4S's.
Yeah, those look pretty big.
285.
So you're on 285. Okay, so I'm on a 295. Yep.
295. Okay. You're on Michelin?
Yep, Michelin's. Yep.
I might have to get the wider tire because it sits really good.
So I had the 295s on those wheels, and it sits flush. It sits perfect.
Flush?
Yep.
I might have to do that. What do you have on the front?
285 on the front.
$275.
So you might, let me check. I might not have, I think I might have 275s. Let me look. Okay, it is 285s.
Yeah, I
okay.
might have to put my rears on the front.
Yep.
And then get.
That's actually a good idea.
Get 295. And then the taillights, they call them like.
What brand are they?
Dragon tail. I forgot.
They look amazing.
They're
man.
the Dragon tail.
Man, they look good.
They're like sequential. That's about it. Got the double side skirts. A lot of cosmetic mods. I haven't really dove into. I mean, there's not much you can do performance until you like upgrade turbos or motor and shit. It's not like a Hellcat. You can do upper pulley, this, port the blower, the auto body, all this. This is just downpipes and tuning. You're ready to run nines.
Yep.
Have you taken yours to the track?
I did. I ran, I think like a 10.9 or 11.1 is the fastest we've got.
Stock?
No, since I've modded it. And then we trapped 132.
Okay, that makes sense. You should be in the mid 10s. Because this car, Xdrive, runs 11 flat factory.
Exactly.
And you're and it runs it at 124 miles per hour. You're at 132, which is good for a 10.4.
Yeah.
10.3.
We mostly do roll racing events with
Yeah.
it just because it just doesn't get no traction.
Well, you need to get a wheel setup.
I got my drag pack. I just didn't put them on.
Have you taken it with the drag pack?
They're brand new. I literally got to get them put on.
It will run fast, man.
Yep.
That mile per hour is good for like a 10.4.
That's what I'm hoping, man.
That's quick as fuck.
Yeah.
10.4, and you're not even like, DME unlocked.
No.
You're not tuned. Wow.
It's crazy.
That's crazy how fast those are. So then I should be there. I
Mhm.
should be at 10.
You put a JB4 on this, you'll probably smoke the crap out of me. Because the JB4s are faster.
JB4 is faster than that.
If you can get it to work on yours, I bet
it works.
I bet you'll trap like 135, 136. There's a chick that just trapped 137, 138 with hers.
With a JB4?
JB4 M2, no downpipe. I don't get it, man. Burger Motorsports just did it.
It's without downpipe. She trapped that.
Yep, she made 648 wheel.
Cause she can gain about 30 wheel and about 27 torque.
Yep.
With the dowmpipes.
Yep.
So she could probably get a little more mile per hour. What does she run for a quarter?
That part I didn't see. I just saw what she trapped and what power she made.
Fuck, that's fast. That's a fucking really high, low 10.
That's where I wanted to be with the JB4. If I could get me to like 650, that's where I wanted to be without having to unlock it. So probably what I'll do is I'll unlock and do an E50 just OTS and run like they usually make like 648. So that's probably what I'll run for right now until I get it tuned.
It's the most you can do right now. E30.
E30.
And then once you unlock, you do E50.
E50, yep.
E50 is where I seen them run 9s.
Yep.
That's all it needs, and that's crazy to think about. I mean, you're talking about $3,000 in mods. That's with maybe 35 with unlocking.
Yep.
And you're running 9s, and you have AC. You could go home and take it out in a day. And
I literally drove it to FL2K with him and to TX2K, down and back, 16 hours one way.
I say these are the best sedans you can possibly get right now for $100,000.
Yep, I agree. I mean, for what you get, dollar for dollar, people like harp on them, but I think it's one of the best cars you can get.
And I also take into account when I'm buying a car, how friendly is it with modifications?
Yeah.
And these cars, all you need is downpipes and tuning.
You want to know how many miles I got on mine?
What, like 30, 40?
52,000.
And how long?
Oh, not even a year.
There's no way. There isn't even enough miles in America.
But I bought it with a lot of miles, so that's why. So in 1 year he put 39,000, and then in 1 year I put about 14,000 ish.
Oh, that's not bad.
No.
So how do you think it is with that much miles? Do you feel like
It's one of the best cars I've ever bought. Even I thought the Supra was the best car. This car, hands down. The only thing I've done is maintenance. Like I told you, I changed the EBC brake pads because the brake dust and the squeaking, and I've done oil changes. And that's it.
That's it.
Yep. And I just drive the hell out of it. You've seen how many times I race it?
100,000.
Oh yeah.
That's
I'm gonna
be
keep
a
this
good
one.
Video for sure.
Yep.
100,000 mile review. Damn. Because everyone, always says, oh, BMWs, they don't do well with higher miles. And
Yep.
this and that. I guess you'll be the first to show them.
It's an awesome car, man. think
this one though, it's
the next one down.
the next one down.
Okay.
Yeah, it's after that turn.
Okay.
It's over there. Yeah, it's all right. Where's the other guy at?
He's probably down there hiding.
Ready?
Yep. You mean honk it?
Yeah, you can honk it.
Ready? He's gone, dude. He is gone, dude. He was gone. Bro, your shit is fast. Car's going into limp mode. Sucks.
How long you guys staying in town?
I'm not sure.